How to dictate text in Google Docs. It's pretty simple and quick to do if you just follow the steps I will show you guys in this video. First of all, open Google Docs just like that. And here you will go and enable Google voice typing feature, which is already embedded in Google Docs. Simply press Ctrl Shift and S. This will appear right here. Make sure you give the microphone access by clicking on this button and enable microphone. And once you do that, you'll be able to dictate text in Google Docs, and you can start voice typing by simply clicking on this button, or you can use this shortcut Ctrl Shift and S. And to dictate properly, use a proper structure that will really help you. For example, like this, make a proper structure of what you're going to dictate in Google Docs. And by making it, it will make your dictation faster. Make sure you dictate sentence by sentence instead of word by word. It will make your dictation easier. So these are some tips and tricks that you can go and follow. I hope you found this very helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.